All right, so your Think About a question is a review. You should have done it already. Let's see how you did. So first, I'm going to write this vertically. So I have 1/4 plus 2/3. And I need to find a common denominator. I'm going to multiply and get 12. I'm going to set up my multiplication problems. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8. So when I add it all together for letter A, I should get 11/12. Then for B, I'll change colors because I'm running out of room a little bit. I'm going to write it vertically. 7/8 plus 5/6. I'm not going to multiply because 48 is a pretty big number and it's probably smaller. So I'm going to count by 8s and I'm going to get 8, 16, 24. I know 6 goes into 24, so that is my common denominator. I'm going to set up my multiplication problems. 8 times 3 is 24. 7 times 3 is 21. 6 times 4 is 24. 5 times 4 is 20. And 21 plus 20 is 41/24. Remember, I told you you could leave it like that. If you made the mixed number, it would be, I can't do that in my head, 1 and 17/24. Both of these are correct. Today, we're going to learn a little something different, so you're going to take notes on the next paper in your packet.